What's up, Facebook? Boom, boom, boom. Getting some fake friends. What's up, Jeremy? Jeremy McMillan? How you doing today, sir? Gotta find my two viewers. Waiting a little bit until they can get here. They said they wanted to see this, so I'm gonna show it to them. Where's my other? There he is. All right. What's up, Jeremy? Think you've seen this one before. All right, man. Here we go. We got you right here. What I have is I'm at Texas Land Records. Hope y'all can see that. Texas Land Records. Not all the counties are there. We have our setup over here. I'll show you different counties we do. So you can see McLennan, Waller, and Brazoria look like they're on the same website. Got Montgomery, Comal, Ellis, Nueces, which Ellis is a bitch. So, anyways, these are the county records, but Texas Land Records has a whole bunch of counties. Let me go back here and I'll show you. So what I've done here is I've done a search criteria. Might as well back it all the way out. Okay. So you've got this box here, and you'll have a name search, a document search. It's a little slow. And a volume search. So you're going to go to document search here, and every county kind of has them labeled a little differently. But we'll get down to appointment. I'm bad at the alphabet. Okay, so you see appointment of trustee and appointment of substitute trustee. Go sub-trustee, and then I'm going to do a search from the beginning now. This is a pretty wide-ranging search. Normally I don't go back past the last Texas Tuesday, but this is a smaller county, so search it and you can see where it came up. You can see the file date, and that's how it's sorted. You can see the instrument date. That's whenever they made the paperwork. So you can see a discrepancy here where they made it on the 22nd and the 19th, but they didn't file it till the 1st. So they kind of hold on to them. But when you go in here now on Texas Land Records, it's a pay site, so you have to pay to actually view the record. But we'll go to this first one right here, pull it up, and what it has here is it has a bunch of information about the file date, property description and stuff like that, which doesn't do us a lot of good. But right here, it has grantor and grantee. And so, anyways, these names here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this one. I'm going to come over here to the CAD. I'm going to paste it in. Okay. Now we'll see how this goes. Now you see who it came up with. And bless their hearts if they're watching. But if you come back over here and check it, looks like the same group of folks. I don't know if I'm moving too fast. That's a lot of people to be on title, but who am I to judge? So, anyways, there's the property address. There's the appraised value. This is on the Brazos County CAD, as you can see. So I'm going to click on it. Now, I don't normally go this far into it because none of this really matters at this point. But I'm just going to go in here and show y'all. I mean, I know y'all know what the CAD is. But you can see I got my third screen set up, except I threw the plug away. So, anyways, that's a long story. But normally over here I'd have more internet opened for more shenanigans. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the address, I'm going to copy it, and come back over here, and this is REIpro, my REIpro. I'm going to do a quick lookup. I'm just going to paste that in there. Now I'm going to have to back it off, but there's the address right there. Click on it, search, and then it brings up the property. Now what's cool about this is it's got a little button here that says add to properties. So all I would do is hit add to properties, and it's going to put it onto our property list into our CRM, and at that point we can export it and put it in a mail merge and go straight to printer with it. So with all the ones we have here on Brazos County, all of these, it's just a quick copy and paste. Find it in the CAD, and then paste the address in here and then look it up. But something else that's really cool is all the information that I used to have to go to Zillow and all that stuff to get, I can get right here, including the mortgage info, but it doesn't have it in some counties. I don't know if Brazos County is one of those, but you can see here that I can see what the taxes are, you know, what the market value is according to the tax roll, and then of course the billing address. So, but when I add it to properties, and I'll kind of show you all this. So I hit add to properties. Now, come to my direct mail, and you can see that over here, our previous list. So there's one from 7/5. We had 27. So this is how we look it up. You know, this is a system we use now. Obviously, I'm a little bit handicapped because you know, I'm holding the phone in one hand. I'm not the best typer anyways, but this is, you know, I mean, this is it, because then when we go here, we can hit what is that? Export. Download. Probably got to pop up somewhere. It's like right here. And there it is. And so whenever we go to mail merge, of course, y'all know how mail merge works. This is an Excel spreadsheet, and then you've got the mailing addresses here. You've got the property addresses over here. So you would put in the mailing, you know, fill out your merge fields where it'll grab the mailing address. And you got a full sheet built, and it didn't take you that long, so then you can just go straight to there and print. And the proof's in the pudding. We've got 2 different mailers we send out. So that's it. Friday night, not spent at the bar, not spent out clowning around, but you can sit here and do this in 20-something counties. Now I know some of y'all you know, live in the Metroplex, and you can get these from Propelio and not have to do this legwork. But if you want to get out into the outlying counties and not have to compete, then this is one way you can do it on your own without having to pay somebody. So I'm gonna get out of here. Holler at y'all. See you later. Bye.